Today we're going to be replacing this pressure relief valve in our water heater. A lot of people replace these because they're leaking around here. That's not the reason I'm replacing it. I'm replacing it is because this pressure release latch up here, it's broken, and the only way I can relieve the pressure is when I use a pair of pliers to pull it out. So I'm going to replace it so I don't have to do that anymore. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to be turning off the power to the trailer, the AC power, and I'm going to unplug the battery. It's important to do that because I am a bit of a klutz, and if I'm working around here and I'm moving things around, there's going to be water dripping, electronics, they don't go well together, so I'm making sure there's no power to this unit. Now there's a socket you can buy that fits right over this that you can use to remove that. Just attaches to your socket wrench. I don't have one of those, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking off this vent cover here to give me better access to this, and then I'm just going to use a regular pipe wrench to do it. This Atwood water heater uses a 1/4-inch wrench to undo these things to take this off. So I got a little socket on there, and I'm going to do those now. This green wire attaches right here. Looks like it's a ground. That was easy, just came off with 2 screws. Got it out right here. Going to be replacing it with this one. Going to clean this out. Just little bits of stuff in there. Want to make it much better for the seal. Threads look all good in there, so that's good. Looks good and clean. Let's put this one in. Okay, we want this to point down. Actually, we want it to point the way it was pointing. So I think we're going to have it pointing more, a little bit that way. More like that. I think that's good. Okay, that's in there. It's the same angle that the last one was at. And it hits the vent cover right here, and the water drains down. I'm going to put on the vent cover again, and then I'm going to fill up the tank, give it some power, and make sure this thing doesn't leak. Okay, the water heater is filling up now. Got it plugged in city water. Let's see. Pressure relief works very well. I like that. Actually, I'm just going to leave that open until the water tank is full, and then we'll see water come out of here. There we go. Tank is full. So now let's make sure it's not leaking. I want to check around underneath here. Nice and dry, I like that. And down here, the drain plug, it's all dry. So that is it. Looks like it's holding. And very simple install. It was 2 screws here on my Atwood water heater. Pipe wrench to unscrew this, the old one, and screw in the new one. That simple, 5 minutes.